How to change payment method on Prime Video. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can change payment method on Prime Video. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you have to get to primevideo.com. Make sure to log in into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to top right and click on your profile icon. Here, head towards account and settings option. Once you're here under your account tab, there on the bottom right corner, there's an option as set payment method. You have to click on it. That's gonna take you to different page. So in this page, if you have added any payment method, that will be displayed on this page. So if you want to change or add a new payment method, you can add a new payment method, or you can delete your previous added payment methods and add a new payment method. If you want to add your credit or debit card, you have to click on this drop down, and here you have to enter your card information, that is your name, card number and your expiration date, and once done, click on add your card. So in this way you can change payment method on Amazon Prime Video. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.